that in the private sector there should be a reservation of 80% for the sons of the soil. This is in keeping with the bill passed by the Janahit Congress in the BJP government, alliance government in Haryana. In Haryana, if the government of BJP-led government can do this, why can't the BJP government in Goa do this? Protect the sons of the soil. And we have defined who is the son of the soil. So person of Goan origin ते तातून डेफिनेशन सारकें मेळटा. सरकाराक जर ताकद आहा, सरकारान म्हाका अश्युरन्स दिवचें की आमी तें बील मूव करतात, तूं विड्रॉ कर, आमी हें सरकारी बील करतात. दीस इज द लास्ट सेशन पॉसिबल, एटलीस्ट द लास्ट बजेट. हातून जर गोंयकारपणाचें सरकार कितें तरी चिंतता, गोंयचे तरणाट्याचें कितें तरी चिंतता जाल्यार तांणी एक्सेप्ट करचें. आनी बीजेपीच सरकार जर हरियाणा करूंक शकता, गोंयचो सरकार कित्याक करूंक शकना? हाजेर कळटा न्ही की हो खरो गोंयकारवादी सरकार काय हो सावंतवाडी सरकार.
What do you expect from this project?
I expect nothing from the budget other than empty announcements. This is just a package which is a last minute attempt to see whether the people of Goa can be once again fooled. See, the question is, this budget, anything can be said in the budget, but how much of the last budget has been actually implemented is what matters. In the present circumstances, they use the issue of lockdown to say all financial activity has come to a standstill. The fact of the matter is that today in Goa, government is taking loans for revenue expenditure, not for capital expenditure, which means the government is taking Goa into a debt trap. When government is taking Goa into a debt trap, what do you expect from a budget? Budget is just sugar-coated pills.
Okay, one more thing is that last time is that Punita Anda, Damu Naika, spoken about debate issue with the.
What will someone debate with a person who calls a culvert a breach? I don't want to discuss with somebody like this. जो कोंकणीन सांगताले भशेन साकवाक पूल म्हणटा, त्या म्हणजे कडेन डिस्कशन कितें करपाचें? ताका 2 लोकांनी डिस्कस करून केला कितें करपाक. जेन्ना बीजेपीची हायट ऑफ पॉप्युलरिटी आशिल्ली 2012 तेन्ना ताका घरा बसयला मरे लोकांक. ताजेरूच जो मनीस साकवाक पूल म्हणूंक लागलो ताका आनी कितें आनी उलयतलो रे.
तुमकां दिसता ह्या सेशनान लेबर गेट जो स्कॅम आशिल्लो
लेबर गेट आयज सेशनान आयचे दिसा नंबर 4 क्वेश्चन
सो ते खंय पावला ती केस म्हणल्यार?
काय ना, ती केस हशप करपाक सरकार ट्राय करता. सरकार यशस्वी जायना अशें दिसता, कित्याक जे आन्सर आयला तातूंत खूब आनी एक्सपोजर आयला. Since it is the property of the house, I will not discuss it before. But after question hour, I will certainly discuss with you.
What do you have to say about this ZP elections? And now, when if you talk about allegation between their own people now have started talking after the Congress candidate lost.
The ZP results in Nagini. If somebody is trying to do a post-mortem of the results, then they should do it in private. There may be much to learn from the result. I am not interested to contest in Nagini, so I have not analyzed it. But if votes have been divided, if somebody's votes have gone to someone else, all those things have to be seen. Not only introspect, they have to be completely analyzed through the microscope, because this is a trend that can follow, and one has to be careful. The underlying message is that unity can see that this anti-Goinkar government can be ousted.
So how you see the 2 years completion of Pramod Sawant government?
See, Pramod Sawant's 2 years have nothing to celebrate. Pramod Sawant can celebrate the handing over of Madai to Karnataka. Pramod Sawant can celebrate the complete collapse of law and order machinery, which makes NCB come to Goa and have drug raids. Goa police is perhaps shielding it at the behest of their political masters. 2 years of BJP government of Pramod Sawant can give them one credit for having Madai weekly, मोपाचे हातून इश्यू कंप्लीट कॉलेप्स जाल्ल्या, मायनिंग स्टार्ट जावंक शकना. So, what is there to celebrate about it? There is nothing to celebrate. He is just a selected chief minister, not an elected chief minister, who has somehow, with manufactured majority of people who came in the night, survived. And in 1 year, there was a complete lockdown, so he couldn't, nobody even tried to throw him out. But one thing is important, even Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated BJP Karyakartas on the victory of ZP, but did not congratulate the Chief Minister. Just see the tweet of Mr. Narendra Modi. This is an indication that Pramod Sawant is an accident, a bad accident that has happened for Goa, and we have tolerated him for 2 years. But I hope this is the last year.
युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन पळोवपाक जातलें
युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन सदां आहा, आमी ऑपोजिशन लिडरा बरोबर कोऑर्डिनेट करीत आसता.
इर्शाद खंय तूं
सर आज बजेट
सर एक्सपेक्टेशन कितें आहा बजेटाची?
पळय, गेल्ल्या वर्सा जें बजेट प्रेजेंट केल्लें ताज्योच स्किमी इम्प्लिमेंट जाल्या काय ना हें पयलीं चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगपाक जाय. हांवें काल स्टेटमेंटूय केला की आमी कितले म्हयने जाले बोवाळ मारता की एक व्हायट पेपर काडा ऑन गोवन फायनान्सीस. टील टुडे गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट कमिंग आउट विथ व्हायट पेपर. वॉट हार्म इज दॅट? लेट पीपल कम टू नो वॉट इज द फायनान्शियल स्टेटस ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. तें सांगपाची तांची तयारी ना. आनी बजेट घालता आसतना आतां लोकांक कितें हें करपाक, खूश करपाक कितें दाखोवपाक शकता. गेल्ले खेपेकी लोकांक खूश करपाक खूब स्किमी धाडल्या. हांव बजेटाच्या डिस्कशनाच्या वेळार सांगतालो कितले कितले स्किमी धाडल्यो, कितले कितले स्किमी तुमी डिक्लेअर केल्ल्यो. आतां इम्प्लिमेंटेशन खंय जालां? गेल्ल्या वर्साच्यो स्किमी इम्प्लिमेंट जावना, which they have not been able to say. Action taken report दवरपा येता न्ही हावसा मुखार. While presenting a budget, they should present an action taken report.
काल एका फंक्शनान सीएमान कितल्योच स्किमी लॉन्च हे केल्या पळय सांगलें.
Action taken report सांगचें आज हावसा मुखार ताणें दवरचो. which I had started the precedent during my tenure that just like parliamentan Pranab Mukherjee finance minister आशिल्लो ताणें एक प्रथा स्टार्ट केली. On the day of the budget, he used to present action taken report on the last year's budget. Same thing I started, action taken report on the last year's budget. तशें स्टार्ट करपा न्ही, तें केलें जाल्यार कटकट ना. तें करना आसतना तुमी नवी स्किमी कर. नवी स्किमी करून फायदो कितें आहा?
सो टॉप सारकें जावना जाल्यार फुडल्यो स्किमी कितें आसा?
तें बेश्टें लोकांक दाखोवपा अनावन्स करप. त्यो लोक खूश जाता अनावन्स केलें म्हणटकीर. लोकांक दिसता कितें कितें जाल्यार जालें, पूण एक्चुअली कांय मेळत ना न्ही. हातांक कांय मेळना जाल्यार कितें? आज सगळे पळय टॅक्सीवाले रस्त्यार, सगळे रस्त्यार आहा. लोक सगळे एजिटेशनां करता, हें करता. आनी गव्हर्मेंट 2 वर्सां सेलिब्रेट करता. कोवीड केसीस वाडत आहा. काल सुद्दां 133 केसीस, 3 डेथ्स जाले. आनी ह्या गोवटेन आमी शिगमो सेलिब्रेट करपाचें उलयता, आनी कितें सेलिब्रेट करपाचें उलयता. कशें जावपाचें? आय रियली डू नॉट नो वॉट वील हॅपन.